clear coat. I thought it was fucking clear. Yeah, that'd be good, man. I tell you what.
Get that paint coat, man, right off that can.
Yep. Get Metalux, half pint of Metalux. Cause I
Call
can bend that.
call them and tell them mix the shit up. And give them the number.
Yep.
You know more than I do.
Alright, where the fuck?
Yeah. Got that shit painted, man. You feel me? Fender painted up. Gonna have to clean them up tomorrow, man. But yes, sir. Roof in, it ain't all the way down. But hey, we gonna do that shit tomorrow or something, man. Same painty. Let me wipe John down. Wipe John down for y'all. Yeah. Yeah. Check him out, man. Yeah, same painting. Mess with this bubble, man. I got Bondo on here on my glass. Here, man. Good razor blade. Polish that top up, man. Somebody gonna want him. That bitch so flush. Look at him. Can y'all see the difference in that, man? I did the driver's side. Yeah. Check these wheels out, man. Yeah, I don't like that, not one bit. G6 roof. Oh, wait, boy. Oh, no. Bottom one is snap in. There you go. Yeah. Check that out. You want your wires to be on top too. But yeah, let's see what them looking like. That took less than like 10 minutes to throw in there and then $20 10 minutes. 10-minute job. Have your car looking different coming down the block. That looking like tragic.
Good.
Ready to hit the block now,
Man,
huh?
what? That shit look good.
Man, it's time to hit a block. That must look like a whole different car.
Man, no kids.
Man, that's all I got for y'all right now, man. I gotta make some more videos. I gotta finish that roof in here, man. Like I said, I got that side marker light I gotta put on, and probably some wheels, man. But as far as right now, I'm messing with this S10, man. And that's driving me crazy because I just got that back today. And it ain't come out right, so I gotta take that back and have him mess with that. But I'm gonna get with y'all. Appreciate it.
Hell nah.